Thank you Slovak customers for purchasing our EA960R3 LED advertising screen. This display adopts a 960mm x 960mm cabinet design. The cabinet is made of magnesium alloy, which has excellent firmness and durability, ensuring stability and reliability in long-term use. EA960R3 can be widely used in indoor and outdoor environments, suitable for fixed installation and rental markets, and flexible installation methods meet various needs. With its high brightness and clear display effect, this LED advertising screen is suitable for advertising display, information release and other occasions, and can effectively attract the audience's attention. Thanks again to the Slovak customers for their trust and support. We look forward to more cooperation opportunities in the future.